Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to combine and blend photos in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to combine and blend photos in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then click create a design. After that, choose the design you want. For example, YouTube thumbnail. And then click uploads, and then click upload files. Then you can upload the image from your laptop, but I will use this image. Just click and then right click, set image as background, and then click in the image and then BG remover. Okay, now download the image, click share, and then download, and then download again. Okay, now upload files. And here downloads. Yes, this is the image. Just wait for a few seconds to download it. Okay, it's done. Now here this image just delete it, and now go to elements, and you can type, for example, nature background, and here photos, click see all, and just scroll down and choose the image you like. Okay, for example this one, and then right click, set image as background, and then go to uploads, and then click this image. Okay, and here BG remover. Okay, now you can put the image full size, or just you can move it to the corner. And when you are happy with that, just click share and download, and share and download, and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to combine and blend photos in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.